in there. Now, off on the 585 into Newcastle. Yeah, you recall this? Sure enough. We'll go under the interstate here. And this is the 585. Little different view up here. Nice move. And just a side note, that motorcycle owned that entire lane, and so you need to respect that space and treat it just like a car or a truck that you're passing. Move over like you would a car or truck into the oncoming lane, but never travel through another biker's lane without that biker's explicit knowledge and consent. And that's just a rule of thumb. Here we are on the 85, US 85, down into Newcastle. You're going to see the geological snow fence rock formation once again. And we should be, apparently the editor wasn't too excited about that rock formation. I don't know. We're not going to see it. Boo-hoo. The van up here, moving right along. We are on a definite incline into Newcastle. Here we are at, I think it is 16, Highway 16, going through Newcastle. We are going to hit the business district and eat at Joanne's Diner. Indeed. Wait. Eat at Joanne's Diner. Indeed. There it is right there. Well, that was good. You gotta slow down though on your meals. You eat way too fast. But you eat light, and so that's good on the road. Another thing on Sturgis Rally Weeks, you will see people from all over. They come to work, they come to play. We'll fuel up, get some more of that great premium petro, and hit this road out of Newcastle. I'm not sure if we have to make a turn anywhere. I think pretty much we stay on this into Custer, South Dakota. Yeah, you can do some shopping there. You didn't get a shirt, you can get it in Custer. They'll have something for you. Got some bikers up in front. Let them know that you're there. Boom. Nice. Acceleration, nimbleness. Oh, that sky, that looks just like a painting right there. Look at that. Perfect. Oh yeah. Good morning. Yes, this guy wants to get our attention, and nothing like a charter bus blocking the road to get your attention. But you handled that one well too. You may have had a slight impact on that guy's driving time, but seconds. It wasn't anything more than seconds. If it was anything. So yes, we are in Custer, South Dakota right now. Crazy Horse statue is nearby. I don't know at what stage of completion it's in. Oh, maybe that wasn't Custer. Yeah, that is. And I haven't seen it since I was a kid, so I really can't speak to it. It seemed like it was taking forever to get done. And I'm not sure who Crazy Horse is. I am sure who Custer is, and I can't imagine why you'd want to name your town after him, but this is Custer. Okay, now we are on the leg that is just go. I'm going to shut up right here and just let you ride. All right. Oh, glory. Oh, this is Hot Springs. Hot Springs, known for, well, these mineral springs, and they've got them set up indoors, and it's pretty huge, actually. At least it was in the eyes of a child, and that's the last time I've been there. We're gonna gas up here and hit the road. We should be just about out of the Black Hills in, I don't know, maybe 10 miles. But this is another nice route, so I'll shut up. Here we are on US 385, US 18, out of Hot Springs, dropping down into Nebraska. But it will take us into the Cornhusker State. There's your huckleberry. Oh, that did make you officially a left lane loser too, so that's the good news and the bad news. Oh, jeez. That woke me up. All right, so you passed your huckleberry, but here's the deal. Cars, trucks, larger vehicles take longer to get up to speed. It wouldn't surprise me if your huckleberry catches up to you, but this is Chadron.